Embark on an adventure with one of Pacific Dome's clients at Ecocamp Patagonia, an award-winning, sustainable dome hotel. Ecocamp Patagonia is the world's first geodesic dome hotel located in the heart of Torres del Paine National Park. Owned and operated by the Chilean inbound tour operator Cascada Expediciones, founded in 1991. Ecocamp believes that the future of tourism is green, and our geodesic domes are among the most sustainable structures available, designed to blend seamlessly into nature. These innovative domes not only minimize their ecological footprint, but also provide a unique experience for guests looking to connect with the environment. Their domes also boasts a charming low-emission wood stove, a private terrace for relaxing outdoors. Inspired by the ancient Kawesca tribe's leave no trace philosophy, each expansive dome at Ecocamp embodies the essence of the local Patagonian style. Experience the tranquility of nature within their spacious Pacific domes, nestled within the native forest. Start or end a day of adventure with stretches, poses, and landscape views in the Yoga Dome. Patagonia is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, and one of its most enchanting features is the vast open sky, especially at night. Embrace the expansive beauty that Patagonia has to offer, where vast open spaces invite you to explore and reconnect with nature.